Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. We have this interesting exponential equation 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b equals to 75, and then we have 2 to the power of minus a plus 2 to the power of minus b equal to 12 to the power of minus 1. What will be the value of 2 to the power of a minus b? And then of course we have some conditions here. A and b are real numbers, and then a is greater than b. So what do we do to get the solution to this? Let's get started. Solution. First, I'm going to label these as equation 1 and equation 2. So we have 2a plus 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b equal to 75. This is equation 1. And then we have 2 to the power of minus a plus 2 to the power of minus b. This is equal to 12 to the power of minus 1. Let's call this equation 2. Alright, so what I have to do now is to multiply equation 1, multiply equation 1 by equation 2. And so I'm going to have equation 1, 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b multiplied by 2 to the power of negative a plus 2 to the power of negative b equal to 75 multiplied by 12 to the power of negative 1. Okay, so we multiply out this bracket, we clear it, and so we are going to have, first we have 2 to the power of a times 2 to the power of minus a plus 2 to the power of a times 2 to the power of minus b. And then of course we have this plus 2 to the power of b times 2 to the power of minus a. And then we have a plus 2 to the power of b times 2 to the power of minus b. This will be equal to 75 all over 12. So this will give 2 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of a minus b plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of 0. Alright. And then here will be 1 plus 2 to the power of a minus b plus 2 to the power of minus a plus b plus 1 equal to, I'm going to reduce this to 25 over 4. Yes, because 3 here is 25, 3 here is 4, so 25 over 4. So I move over from here, 1 plus 1 will give 2. 2 plus 2 to the power of a minus b plus 2 to the power. So I'm going to rewrite this to give minus a minus b equal to 25 over 4. Right. So we have 2 to the power. I'm going to move these two over to this side. So you have 2 to the power of a minus b plus 1 over 2 to the power of a minus b equal to 25 over 4 minus 2. And so we have 2 to the power of a minus b plus 1 over 2 to the power of a minus b equal to, so once I simplify this, I'm going to get 17 all over 4. So let m equal to 2 to the power of a minus b. Alright, so this whole equation now simplifies to m plus 1 over m equal to 17 over 4. Let me multiply through by 4m. Let's multiply each term by 4m. So we have 4m times m plus 4m times 1 over m equal to 4m times 17 over 4. So this gives me 4m squared plus 4 equal to 17m. Alright. So from here we have, from that end, we are going to have this becomes a standard quadratic equation. This becomes a standard quadratic equation, so we are going to have 4m squared minus 17m plus 4 equal to 0. And so this will give me 4m squared. So let me factorize this by using 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4 will give me 16. And this is the same thing as 1 times 16, which is 16, minus 1 times minus 16, which is also 16. So I'm going to pick this. Since we have minus 17 here, so this becomes minus 16m minus m plus 4 equal to 0. And so I have, if I group this and this together, I'm going to have 4m bracket m minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 times m minus 4 equal to 0. Alright, so here I'm having m minus 4 times 4m minus 1 equal to 0. And so m equal to m minus 4 equal to 0, or 4m minus 1 equal to 0. So this gives me m equal to 4, or m equal to 1 over 4. Now don't forget that the condition set here is that a must be greater than b. Alright, so now so we have two cases. Case 1, m equal to 4. So if m equal to 4, I would say that m should represent 2 to the power of minus 2 to the power of a minus b. So that means that 2 to the power of a minus b will be equal to 4. Alright, this is still in line. 2 to the power of a minus b equal to 2 to the power of 2. So a minus b equal to 2. Yes, equal to 2. So that means a will be equal to 2 plus b. Or let me just say b plus 2. B plus 2. And that means a will be greater than b. Here, a greater than b. Now let's check the other value, which is the other value is 2 to the power of a minus b equal to 4 to the power of minus 1. So 2 to the power of a minus b will be equal to 2 to the power of minus 2. So a minus b equal to minus 2. So that means that a equal to b minus 2. So here is indicating that a is less than b, or b is greater than a. And we know from the condition set, a has to be greater than b. And therefore, 2 to the power of a minus b will be equal to 4. So this is our result. So guys, there you have it. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, of course comment. If you have not subscribed, this is the time for you to do so. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.